Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Neil. Today we're back on Sporcle for yet another quiz of the day. This quiz today may be a bit of a dud, but it might be a lot of fun. This is the 20 most well-known countries on Sporcle. Can you name the top 20 most guessed countries in Sporcle's Countries of the World quiz? So I basically have to put myself into the mind of the average Sporcle quiz taker and guess the most 20 popular, well-known nations of the world. I've got 3 minutes to name 20 countries. Let's go right into it. USA, Canada, UK, Mexico, Ireland, no. Okay, let's do the big Europeans. Italy, Spain, maybe a Portugal or a Netherlands. No. How about Greece? No. China, Russia, Japan, South Korea? No. How about Australia? If Australia's on, maybe New Zealand? No. India. Now let's think South America. Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Peru? No. Colombia? No. Okay. Africa. South Africa is everyone's first guess. Maybe in Egypt? No, just outside. Okay, so we're down to 2. Let's think about Scandinavia. Sweden. Sweden makes it. Norway doesn't. Does Finland make it? Probably not. How about Denmark or Iceland? There it is. Okay, yeah, that was a bit of a dud, but it is curious. It is interesting to know what the average person thinks of when they think of countries. Obviously, nothing super surprising here. I find it more interesting when countries that I automatically think of don't appear on the list, but I get why they might not necessarily be in the top 20. But yeah, you know. There you go. There's your 20 most well-known nations in the world, plus Egypt at 21. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. As always, we'll be back tomorrow with another quiz of the day. Until then, take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.